Little is said about this simple recipe. Potatoes stuffed with vegetables and a little bit of ham, then gratinated and ready. Try to find something wrong with it. Look, wow, it's saying, eat me. First ingredient, of course, medium-sized potatoes, 4 or 5 pieces. We bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 357 Fahrenheit with the oven preheated. Can you peel the potatoes? You can, but you'll have to be very careful because they fall apart when cooked. So if you want to play it safe, leave the skin on, man. Later, if you want, you can remove it once it's cooked. Meanwhile, let's take a pan with olive oil. About 3 tablespoons is enough. Let it heat up a bit, and in the meantime, let's move on to the next ingredient. We're going to chop an onion into small cubes. And have you guessed it? We add the onion to the pan and let it cook until it's soft. Next ingredient, 2 carrots. We peel them and grate them using a grater. It won't take long and they'll look this nice. Once you're done, move on to a zucchini. Next ingredient, here it is. We're gonna cut it into small pieces. It's really easy. We chop it up and return to the pan. The onion has started to change color and turn golden. We add our carrot and also the zucchini, and now we're going to let everything cook together for 2 minutes. Next ingredient, jamon serrano, super flavorful, 100 grams. I add salt and pepper to the pot. You know, freshly ground pepper because the other kind is worthless. In it goes the jamon. Keep in mind it's salty, so you only need a little salt. 2 minutes. Be careful with the potatoes. They're super hot. Are you gonna pick them up and cut them like that? Or you could just wait for them to cool down. Nobody will die from a short wait. All right, here they are, and now we scoop them out with a little spoon or with one of those gadgets that's specifically for making potato balls. My grandma used it all the time. We always scoop them out carefully, making sure we leave enough of the potato so we have a little boat that can hold up for the next step of our fantastic recipe. All right, what we've scooped out goes in. We mix it well with the veggies for about 20 seconds so it all comes together. And there we have our little potato boats that we're gonna fill little by little with our mixture. Here we go. This is gonna take you hardly any time, and I can tell you the recipe is almost finished. Soon I'll be singing, challenge completed, next ingredient. And I'll tell you in advance that the last one is grated cheese, 100 grams, in my case, mozzarella. In your case, whichever you like, you add a little bit on top of each of the potato boats and put them back in the oven, this time for 5 minutes. If you have a broiler, even better, same temperature, 180 degrees, and after the time is up, the dish will be ready. Look, a nicely prepared little plate with a piece of parsley, just like Arguignano likes it, and a little more sprinkled on top, just the way I like it. I'm going to give it the final touch, which I think is spectacular, with a few drops of olive oil. Don't overdo it, just a little bit. And your stuffed potatoes, baked and au gratin, will be ready. Riss, ras, who can top this? This dish, it's a real showstopper. You have to make them, you're going to like them, that's for sure. Guaranteed.
Enjoy your meal. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel.